Every person I speak to who asks me a question about their own marketing will get some insights into their next step. It might be a small step, might be a big step, but through interacting with me, between getting to know me, you're going to get that next step. And sometimes that's all you need to be able to take your business from here to here. It's really nerdy, but I love the numbers. Really love the numbers. So when I can see, traffic coming to a website and people opting in for an inquiry form, and then I can see the back end, the client is following the customer up and it's turning into business. If I can see that through data, that's what really gets me excited, because I can see that I'm making a difference to their business. I have a really personal touch to everybody's business, to every business relationship that I have. Doesn't matter how complicated it is, I'm not afraid to ask stupid questions about your business. I take the time to understand your business deeply, on a deeper level. I am here for, it's the small impacts that turn into big ones. To share my positive outlook on life. Maybe if one person leaves a conversation with me feeling a little bit more uplifted and thinking in a new way about something, then it's all the small impacts that turn into a big one. So that's what I'm here for. I know a little about a lot when it comes to digital marketing, and I also think having younger kids, asking me, what does this mean? What does that mean? I think I've really found a skill on how to explain complicated things in simple terms. And I bring that to my presentations and to my workshops, even my one-on-one training sessions. I feel like people walk away understanding complicated things, or at least the foundation of the concept that they've asked me about. Being reliable, being transparent, and having open communications are ingrained in me. It's how I brought up, and it's what I'm teaching my children now, is to have those values and hold them really strong, and to work with those values in everyday interactions with people. I want everyone to succeed, and I want people to have the right advice, trusted advice, and if they get that through me, great. It's difficult as the agency to get that inside look to see how things are really affecting people and their lives on the other side, but when I do, that's really enjoyable.